just a quick channel update. So one of the main purposes on my channel is to teach coding in a very simple way for kids. While most of my previous focus has been on Scratch, a block-based language, I also want to explore other languages. So in these next series of videos, I'll be teaching you how to use Python, a text-based language. Python is versatile and can be used for making your own video games with Pygame and desktop applications with tkinter and PyQt. Now, this does not mean we're done with Scratch. Hey, don't eat that. Don't eat. In fact, I still have some videos planned for future Scratch tutorials. I hope that you have a great time learning Python and that you will enjoy making your own programs with it. Watch out for the first video of the series. Be there or be MC squared. See ya.